Alright, we're on our way to go pick up another project. It's a motorcycle that I wanted to buy a while back. The guy wasn't ready to sell it yet. We bought the KDX 200 off of him. In fact, I showed this motorcycle in one of the videos. The guy let me take a quick video of it. But anyway, they didn't want to sell it before, and I told them if they ever changed their mind to give me a call. So I don't know how many months ago that was, but anyway, they decided they would sell it to me. We came to a fair price. So anyway, we're on our way to go pick that up now. We'll get it on a trailer and get it home and give you guys a look at it. Alright, so we just picked it up. There's a quick sneak peek. I know you can't see much of it, it's on the trailer there, but once we get home, we still got a couple hours of daylight, so we'll do a walk around and see what we got. Alright, so we got it in the garage. I did a good once around with it. Definitely liking what I see so far. Without a doubt, a project, but that's what I bought it as. I wasn't expecting anything different. I did see this bike, again, I don't know how many months ago it was, when we bought the KDX 200 from the same people. The second I saw it, I fell in love with it, but it wasn't something they were willing to get rid of at the time. But they're moving on to some other stuff. They're getting some jet skis and that kind of thing, so they wanted the room in the garage, so it was good timing for me, good timing for them. So, but anyway, that's it. 1972 Suzuki Titan 500, T500. It's a 500cc two-stroke motor. These things sound awesome when they're running, and hopefully we'll be hearing that soon. Plenty of surface rust to go around. You know, I'm going to clean it up and see what comes back to life and what doesn't. If you watched any of the videos on the Honda CL70, it's also a 1972. That had a lot of surface rust on it too, and I was probably got a good 85-90% of it off, and you know, it leaves back you know, a little bit of pitting, you know, once you get the surface rust off, but looks 100% better. Seat's in good shape. I mean, overall, you know, again, I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with this bike. I know I want to get it running. I don't know if I'm going to try to make it a patina bike, full restoration. We'll see. But if I make it a patina bike, I would probably stick with this seat cover. It's original. Got one little spot there. You know, you can fill those with some like black silicone, and you got to sand it a little bit with sandpaper. It kind of blends in. I've done that before. And it's got one other cut on the other side. Right there, same thing, you can fill it in. You know, again, if you're making it a patina bike or whatever, that's fine. It's got a little bit of a cut in the piping there. But other than that, I'm sure it'll clean up nice. Definitely got a lot of, I know I already said it, but I got a lot of rust to get off the chrome. Motor's complete. I have the air filter in the truck, so that's not missing. You know, luckily we have that, so we don't have to hunt that down. The tank's not in the best shape. I kind of knew that. It's got a big kaboom here, and that don't totally scare me normally, because some of these guys that do the paintless dent repair, they can, believe it or not, they can get that out. It's kind of got a really good, looks like something fell on top of it. But I think this thing's got some rust in the bottom, so I don't know that that's going to be savable. The guy did give me an extra tank with it that I think the original owner had planned on using on this bike, I don't know, probably 30 years ago when he was going to try to get it running again, but it's, in fact, there it is real quick. I thought it was the Titan 500 tank, but it's actually not. I think it's a GT 550 tank. So unfortunately, it probably would work on here, but I'm not doing that kind of restoration. I want to definitely get the correct tank. It's the oil tank. That's in good shape. Should clean up nice. To my surprise, this side over here, this cover, the battery cover, it's actually plastic, which I'm surprised for a 1972. I would have thought that to be metal, and then I was like, actually thought maybe it was aftermarket or something from back then, but I took it off, flipped it around. It says made in Japan, so I can't imagine that that's aftermarket. So it must have been plastic. I mean, it's nothing but a cover. You know, the other side's an oil tank, so, but I thought that was a little strange. Key still in it. Snoopy. don't know if that says 1972 or 1975 New York State inspection. But if you look at the plate, it looks like the last time he had it on the road was in 1980. So I don't know if I don't see a 1980 inspection sticker, but who knows, maybe he didn't inspect it or maybe it fell off, I'm not sure. Old student ID from 1977. Pipes look like they're in good shape, you know, surface rust again, but that's the main thing. You don't want holes in it, rotted holes, and I don't see any yet. I mean, we didn't dig into it yet, but yeah, so that's it. I'm liking what I see so far. I think what I'm going to do, you know, because we're knee-deep into the KDX 200 and the Honda CL70, I'm trying to wrap that up. I think I said that in the past 2 videos too, but I'm actually real close. I had to do some repairs on the wiring harness. So I'm going to get that done, get that sold. I don't like to have more than 2 projects going on at a time if I can help it. So we'll keep going on the KDX 200. What I want to try to do with this is check on the motor, see if it's you know, bound up, seized up, which I'm sure it is. They all are when they sit that long. See if I can get it to free up, you know, clean up the carburetors a bit or whatever, and see if we can't get it to pop over and maybe spit a little smoke out for us. We'll see. But, yeah. It's got a little over 19,000 miles on it. Gauge is actually looking nice shape. They should clean up nice. And I guess that's not bad. 19,000 miles. He had it on the road for roughly 9 years, I guess. So 2,000 miles a year. That's not bad for a motorcycle. You know, especially a bike like this. Now, it might be a lot for a little bike, but you know, these 2 strokes are hardy. So, and we're going to be doing a bunch of work to it anyway. So that's not bad. I can live with that. So what else can I tell you about it? Oh, they gave me a bunch of the original paperwork. I got it in the bag over there. In fact, I want to get it out and look at it. I haven't had a chance to look through it yet. So we'll get that opened up. I'll show you what's in there and go from there. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. This will be a nice looking bike when it's done, for sure. Alright, so let's see what we got in the bag here. I'm assuming that's the original Suzuki bag that came with the motorcycle. It's got the old snap on it. Bag's in good shape, that's cool. Looks like a repair manual the guy must have had at one point. He's the guy, I think that's Kmart. Shows you how old that is. $3.58. It's about a $30 book now. So I don't have to go looking for one of these. I was going to start looking online tonight. I don't know, is this kind of generic? Yeah, it actually might not be for the, yeah, it looks a little generic. But anyway, 2-stroke and 4-stroke tuning, hop up. Yeah, it's still a cool book. Definitely old. Yeah, so bonus, we'll take it. Again, not specific for the bike, but that's all right. We'll find one. Original manual. Still in the vinyl jacket, no rips in it. That's super cool. Read before riding, and your arithmetic will add up to motorcycle safety. Nice. Oop, I got some private stuff here with the guy's name on it. I'm not going to show that, but that's the insurance card. Looks like the original. Try to cover the guy's name here. Anyway, original warranty paperwork. See what's in there. Oh yeah. You and your Suzuki. Got all kinds of stuff. Definitely going to need that at some point. There's our wiring diagram. That's cool. I don't have to go looking for that online. Make a copy of it so I don't ruin this one. And it's just basically your periodic inspection, daily checklist. Looks like he bought a tire in 1975 at 9,700 miles. Goodyear tire. I don't know what the time is. Time, $8, whatever that is. Inspection, $2 for the inspection, and a knob for $1.92. Alright, there's the book we're looking for. So he actually does have a climber book for it. 125 to 500 cc twins, 64 to 72. In fact, there's a 500 right on the cover. So, no, again, it's doing different bikes, but it seems like it's should have some good information in here for us. Again, bonus. I don't have to go searching for that. $5.50. All right, I think that's it as far as the paperwork, but most of the time you don't even get paperwork with these, so we'll definitely take that. All right, so I'm going to wrap up the video there. Just a quick introduction to the bike. Definitely look out for some videos coming up. Hopefully we'll be able to get this motor freed up if it is locked up even. I haven't really checked on it yet, just assuming. But if I can get the carburetors cleaned and get some stuff moving, maybe we can hear this thing, turn over, make a little bit of noise and a little bit of smoke for us. Yeah, so keep an eye out. Probably won't be anytime real soon. Like I said, I just wanted to get the bike because the opportunity came up to get it. But like I said, I'm kind of excited about it, so I think we'll be hopping on it soon enough and get this little Honda done and send that on down the road and maybe free up a little bit of money for this project. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.